Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to solve few problems related to measurements. Two solid cubes of different materials have equal volume of 8 cubic centimeter. Their masses are 19.72 gram and 59.2 gram respectively. Compare their densities. So we need to find out the densities. They have given two solid cubes, okay, and these two solid cubes are having the same volume as 8 cubic centimeter. So I can write it as like this, okay, cubic centimeter. Now they have given masses, okay, they are having same volume but different masses, okay. In the first condition the mass is 90.72 gram, and in the second condition the mass is 59.2 grams, right? Now like they both are having the common volume as 8 centimeter cube. So let us find out the density. Just now we have seen density is nothing but mass per unit volume, that is mass divided by volume. So 90.72 divided by 8, and in this case I'm writing it as D is equal to M by V. The mass is 59.2 and volume is 8 again. So when you are dividing this, you will be getting the answer as 11.34 gram per centimeter cube. And the same thing, 59.2 divided by 8, you will be getting as 7.4 gram per centimeter cube. Okay. So now they have asked to compare their densities. So in this case the density is more, 11.34. In this case it is just 7.4. So the density of the object, okay, which is having the mass 90.72 gram will be more than the object which is having the mass 59.2 gram. Okay, observe carefully, they both are having different mass but the volume is the same. Okay, but still the densities are getting differed because of the difference in the mass. Okay, large pendulum bob of copper weighs 448 grams, that is 448 grams. The volume of the bob is 50 centimeter, okay, 50 cubic centimeter. Find the density of copper. So it's a very direct question where they have given the mass, okay. So the given data, they have given the mass of pendulum bob of copper, okay, mass is equal to 448 gram, and the volume also they have given, volume is equal to 50 cubic centimeter. I'm writing it in this way. Find the density. Okay, so density is equal to, you know, right? So mass divided by volume. So I think you can try now. 448 divided by 50. Okay, so you can divide and you can easily get the answer. Okay, generally when it is division, no, don't prefer calculators. Try to divide and find out the answer. Okay, manually you divide and then find out the answer. Okay. Yeah, so what would be the answer? It is 8.96 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, so this will be the density. Okay, this is a very direct question. Easily you can find out, right? Moving on to the next one. A bus travels at a speed of 75 km per hour to cover a distance of 375 km. What is the time taken by the bus to complete the journey? So what is the given data here? It is speed. Okay, they have given the speed of the bus as 75 km per hour. And what is the distance? So distance is equal to 375 km. Okay. Now what they have asked us to find? They have asked us to find the time taken by the bus. Okay. So we need to find out the time taken by the bus. Now we need to know the formula of speed. Speed is equal to distance by time taken. Okay, speed is equal to distance by time taken. Now what is the distance they have given? 375. And what is the time taken? We need to find out. So I'm mentioning it as t, but they have given the value of speed over here, right? So what is the value of speed? It is 75. So 75 is equal to 375 divided by t. Now we need to find out the value of t. So if I want to find out the value of t, this will be moving on to the left hand side, okay, and this 75 will be moving on to the right hand side. Okay, so when this is happening, what happens? This will be going up, t will be going up, and 75 will be coming as division here. Okay, so at last I am writing it here. T is equal to 375. There will be no changes with 375. 75 which is coming to the right hand side will be going to the denominator. Okay, so t is equal to 375 divided by 75, which is nothing but 5. Okay, and what will be the unit here? It is hours. So the answer is 5 hours. Okay, seventh question. Convert the speed of 15 kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay, so they have given the value in kilometer per hour. We need to convert this in meter per second. Okay, so 15 kilometer per hour, we need to convert this to meter per second. So to do this, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds, right? Now 15 into 1000 divided by 3600. Okay, so if we solve this, 0 and 0 will get cancelled, and this 0 will be getting cancelled, and with the 2 table, 2 5s are 10, 2 18s are 36. So 15 into 5 divided by 18. So 75, 15 into 5, 75 divided by 18. Okay, so you'll be getting the answer as 4.166. okay, 4.166 meter per second. So this will be the answer. Okay, so generally like to directly to find out the answer, what we do is, if we need to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, we will just multiply the value of speed with 5 by 18. Okay, this is a direct one. We no need to write all these things, 1000 by 3600, because this is not going to change. Okay, this is not going to change. Okay, so directly we will be multiplying the value of speed with 5 by 18 to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. And at the same time, if it is the reverse, if they are asking to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, what you need to do is multiply the value of speed. Okay, multiply the value of speed with 18 by 5. Okay, just the reciprocal of this particular value, 5 by 18 in case of kilometer per hour to meter per second, and 18 by 5 in case of meter per second to kilometer per hour. Okay, you no need to calculate all these things. Okay, directly you can use this value, multiply the value of speed, and you can get the answer. Yeah, so this will be your challenge. Okay, so the first question is convert 70 kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay, directly you can do. You no need to find out 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. All those things you no need to do. You just directly multiply the given values and you can find out. And the second one, what is the volume of a cube with sides 8 centimeter? Okay, given the volume of the cube is equal to side into side into side. I have given the hint also here. Okay, and the third one, which is the fastest land animal? Find out the approximate top speed of that animal. Okay, find out this and try to give your answers in the comment section below. Okay, thank you all. Have a great day.